Very good evening, guys. This is Mukul Sharma. I have seen in last few years the machine has reduced job opportunities significantly. Bunch of people were doing the same work, like 50 and 100 people were doing that work. Your machine is doing that within 15 or 20 minutes. So that is why the bunch of people had to lose their jobs just because of machines.
Talking about that machine is snatching the job, that machine is creating job opportunities. Let's talk about the AC and fan. We have technician, and in car we have driver. So it doesn't mean that machine are snatching the job of people. The machine is creating more job than earlier time.
Machine is being created by machine.
Sorry.
Machine is being created by machine. So that's why machine is reducing the manpower. Machine is
Machine is made by human, not made by machine.
It is made by machine. Fan, how it's made?
How?
It's made by machine. Fan, AC.
AC. It's made by machine. How it possible that
Every part,
to mold the fan, to mold its wings, to mold its structure.
yeah, it's a
Machine required.
It is made by machine.
But who invented the fan? Obviously human. So I am talking about the who invented the fan? Human.
The machine is
So
included to
we
make this
have
whole
many
thing.
machines. We have many machines. So you can create many parts of many multiple things that as fan. We have machine. We have different machine to make a fan bins, and we have different machine to make that motor of
Okay, I
machine.
want
So
to
we
know-
have multiple
I
machines.
want to know how they are being created, how they are being made.
How they are.
Rings, ACs, conductors, and brands. This kind of.
I am not
how it's being
engineer.
created.
That I am not engineer. Who that I am
That's
talking
why
about the
I'm here to
engineer
tell
who
you.
made the machine. Who made the machine to invent the fan?
Machine is producing so much pollution.
Yeah.
So much noise pollution, water pollution. As you can see the condition of the Yamuna, Delhi river. I think 20 to 30% pollution is coming from the industries.
Yeah.
Machines is producing so much pollution. That is why it is not good. It's harmful for us. Obviously, it will not produce that much pollution.
Yeah. So you are talking about the pollution. Obviously, whatever. Suppose that we want to grow ourselves. So to grow ourselves, we need
We
some.
can grow by
we
hard
need.
work.
We need not hard work.
Yeah, we
Without
can.
with the hard work, you can grow yourself. Technology matters a lot, and mindset also matters a lot. And let's talking about the factories. You are talking about that factories creating a lot of that pollution. So in river that you are talking about river.
Yeah.
That, so do you know how many how many devotees they throw garbage on river?
Because it is already dirty. That is why people are putting the garbage over there. It is not clean. If it is clean, the people will think before throwing the garbage on that. It is dirty.
So you are talking about that it is already.
and you're so
you are talking about that it is already dirty just because
Yes,
of that
it
people
is.
are throwing.
Yeah.
People are throwing in that.
If something
so in,
is clean, we will not try to make it dirty. If something is already unclean, it is dirty. What will you?
now we have machine. Now we have machine and we are working.
Yes.
Now we have machine and we have decreased the.
No, sir, you are absolutely wrong. Please go there. So many machines are there, but they are not working on ground level.
Yeah, they are working.
They are just showing
just
peace.
see
It's
the
just showing
condition
that-
of Yamuna.
that government
Just
is
see the
doing
condition of
something, but on the
Yamuna. We have,
reality, nothing is happening.
Yeah.
Nothing is happening. Your so-called machines is over there for just showing to people that the government is doing something. But in the reality, nothing is happening.
yeah. So you are talking about the machinery. Machinery are there, but they are not working.
Even
Let me complete my point. Then you will speak. Suppose you are talking about that machines are there, but they are not working properly.
Yes,
Just
absolutely.
See the Yamuna now
It is the
that
wasting of
government
money.
has changed. Government has changed, and the mentality of government is also changed. That you can see the condition of Yamuna earlier that it was 100% polluted, but now we have decreased the 20% pollution from Yamuna just because of high technology which we bought from Japan.
Last minute.
I never felt like this before, sir. I recently.
Now you can see the condition of
recently
Yamuna. It is cleaning day by day just
Sir.
because of high technology
Sir.
machines. Those who are working in which are working in Yamuna river.